Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Bigmanapplesauce, and for my first video, I'm going to be starting with a Coke and Mentos experiment. I know everybody has seen this like a million times. Don't get me started, I've seen them too. Well, I have a thing of Mentos here, and so we're going to just start out by getting these open. Whew, that was heavy. And then, emergency close. Okay, looks like we're fine right now. Okay, we're gonna undo the Coke. I've been wanting to do this experiment for so long. Okay, grab 3 Mentos, 3. Okay, we're gonna grab all this, put it back, and then let's see the magic happen, shall we? Woo! I'm gonna try to get all these Mentos on top of each other. In 3. Everybody count down with me. 3,
3, 2, 1.
And they're in. Cool. And they're in.
And, well, because that one didn't go as high, guess what? Come with me. We're going to go grab a backup. Oh, by the way, this is my sweet ride. I'm back! Oh, that was a bad idea. Okay. Somebody cut that out of the video. Nobody saw anything. Let us go. So, again, we have another Coke. You guys don't know, you need original Coke, I think. Not really sure. We can also try to use this again. I'm pretty sure you can use this again, but we're gonna use this one. See if this one, because if you guys don't know, a smaller opening like this one makes it shoot all the way up because there's no way it can go out from any other direction. Once again, we're gonna put in 3 Mentos. What do you guys want, 3 or 2? Okay, so putting in 3. Okay, so we're gonna put in 3 Mentos. Here we go. Well, more Coke for me. Well, more Coke for me. Delicious.
Oh, I didn't get that.
Whoopsies.